camera shut off again. I've got a fully charged battery and it's plugged in, so I don't know why it keeps doing that. Once I get done doing this video, I'll check it out. I still have a ways to go from here, from there, there. So I'll be back once I get all those bottom loops pulled over to show you the next step. Okay, I'm back. I have all the top loops pushed over, and I'm just going around to make sure I did get all the top loops, and while I'm checking it, I'm also pushing the bottom loops all the way down because we want a consistent look. Whee! Alright, so now we're also going to do a color change. We're going to make it match the sweater that I did for my granddaughter. Looking for the center pull of the skein. There it is. Alright. So I like how they put the tag on the end. It says Harshners Easy Pull. And it was tucked way down in there. So what I'm doing, because I'm going to use a double, I usually pull my yarn from the outside. I know that's probably unconventional, but pulling the yarn from the outside has left me with less tangles, and I'm not spending as much time detangling yarn. So that's how we're getting the double yarn. So I didn't want to open up another skein to do this, so we're just gonna see. We got two loops. One is coming from the outside of the skein. Another one's coming from the inside. And here's what I do. I have a glass mixing bowl. I use what I can from around the house. And I'm going to put this purple yarn aside, because we're going to need it again. We're going to put the multicolor in here. This glass bowl really enables the yarn to move freely. Sorry. All right. So to do the color change, I got my multicolor yarn and my purple yarn separated from each other now. It was looking like a big old spider web.